Guys, this is Kristin with apokreations, and I am doing this awesome molds and shapes mold, ghosty mold. It's actually a tray, and I'm doing it for the collaboration hosted by Claire's Crafty Corner for Halloween 2025. The link will be in the description below. So I have mixed up some BondCraftor casting powder, and I'm just going to try and carefully put it around the edges.
Paint the night black. You can call me a magician.
Okay. So that is that. I am going to wait until this cures and then mix up some more. And I did it this way because I figured that I would get fewer bubbles if I ran it into the outside edge and then put the top as one unit, because I can go around the eyes and go around the edges once I get that in. But I did it this way to minimize the bubbles. I have 115 of water and 345 of the BondCraftor casting powder. So let me get this over here. And I'm just going to leave it white, because I am going to end up painting on the eyes and the mouth. Let me bring this down here a little bit. Shelter it from my mold. And this casting powder really does come out very white, and you can see right there, it's beautiful. Yep.
Paint the night black. I'ma paint the night black. You can call me a magician, 'cause I'm living in my own world. 'Cause I got all of these apparitions. You can't take them away from me. Night of the ghosts, you can see them if you look closely. I ain't never seen a night so ghostly. Oh,
Alright. Yeah, I don't want to jiggle it too much because I don't want to crack that base that I have around the rim. So I will let this cure and I'll be back for demold.
You can run away if you want to, but the pain won't wash away. You can hide under the covers, but the ghosts are out to play. Night of the ghosts, you can see them if you look closely. I ain't never seen a night so ghostly. Oh, I can feel them in my bones when I get home. I'ma paint the night black.
All right, so let's get going on the main. Oh, dang it. Okay, so that's not a good idea. Look. Well, don't do that. And I don't know if I can glue this back on here once it's all dried. So it's time for demold. Got a little trimming to do. Got glitter all over the back of the mold. Ta-da! Oh, only one little bubble. Not bad. So cute. All right, so I am going to put this in my Resiners curing machine, my G3, and get it dried out so I can paint it. Well, the eyes and the mouth. All right, so I have gotten out, this is cured for a couple of days. I got out 2. And what I think that I'm gonna do, so these are, this one is Shuttle art, and this one is Avier. Probably like totally pronouncing that wrong. But anyway, this one is color changing, and it's called Black Flash. So I am gonna try that in the eyes and see what it looks like.
You can call me a magician, 'cause I'm living in my own world, 'cause I've got all of these apparitions. You can't take them away from me. Night of the ghosts, you can see them if you look closely. I ain't never seen a night so ghostly. Oh, I can feel them in my bones when I get home. I'ma paint the night black. I'ma paint the night black. Call me a magician, 'cause I'm living in my own world, 'cause I got all of these apparitions. You can't take them away from me. Night of the ghosts, you can see them if you look closely. I ain't never seen a night so ghostly. Oh, I can feel them in my bones when I get home. I'ma paint the night black.
Okay, so I decided not to paint his mouth black. I'm going with a rose pink flash. And again, it's a Shuttle art. It's gonna need a couple coats.
Whisper crawls through empty streets. Shadows stretch where the moonlight meets. The wind it hums a hollow tune beneath the grin of of a jackal moon. Paint the night with black and red, strokes of fear where angels fled. A canvas torn, a devil's delight. On Halloween we paint the night. The trees are claws, the sky is bruised, each star a wound, each cloud abused. Lanterns flicker, the heart's on fire, the air is thick with cursed desire. Do you hear it? The midnight.
Okay, so I mixed up 100 mils. I waited for this to dry, and I also added into it some of the PDB diamond dust, just to give it a little zhuzh.
Strokes of fear where angels fled. A canvas torn, a devil's delight.
There's gonna need a...
On Halloween we paint the night. Tip the brush in the blood of the past. Dragon soul, let the terror last. A ghostly hue, a spectral cry. Colors drip as the spirits sigh.
Okay, let me get my heat gun. Work that around. I'll turn the volume down for you guys.
The trees are claws, the sky is bruised, each star a wound, each cloud abused. Lanterns flicker, the heart's on fire, the air is thick with cursed desire. The trees are claws, the sky is bruised, each star a wound, each cloud abused. Each star a wound, each cloud abused. Each cloud abused, each cloud abused. Dip the brush in the blood of the past.
Okay, so I've got all the bubbles popped, and I will be back for the final step. So I'm back to put the sticker on. So this is the one that I'm going to put on there, because the one that I really wanted to put on there was this one, because I put the boo in bougie. Absolutely. But it went over the mouth, and so even if I put it kind of cockeyed, there'd still be bats in her mouth. So, you know, it is what it is. But I have my resin in my Let's Resin debubbler, and so I'm going to put this sticker on and then pour a final thin coat, and then I'll be done. Yeah, I have a bunch of these, oh gosh, what do they call them? White cast decals. So you can kind of put them on any color, but you can still see the outline when, you know, where you cut around it. So that's why I don't use them very often. And I do have an air bubble there that I need to pop. Squeegee. All right, I'll be back when I am ready to pour the resin. Okay, just gotta get these bubbles off the top. All right, oops. Okay. Oops. Okay, let me grab.
As the spirits sigh.
Okay, I'm going to put a cover over this and find something to do with this, and I will take some glamour shots. In the meantime, do me a favor and like the video if you wouldn't mind. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think of my ghosty tray. Subscribe if you're not already. I'll put the QR codes up for the Buy Me a Coffee and the subscription, and have a blessed day and take care. Bye-bye. Flicker, the heart's on fire, the air is thick.